Universal compatibility. Works with all brands of laptops, tablets and computers with a Mini DisplayPort output and HDMI-enabled TVs or HD projectors. HDMI cable is required for complete video setup, not include. UNIDIRECTIONAL, 2-pack. This 2-pack of adapters is ideal for sending video content from a compatible MacBook, laptop or tablet to an HDTV or HD-enabled projector so you can enjoy your favorite digital content, videos, pictures and presentations on a larger screen. Audio is not supported. High-quality picture, supports full HD 1080p and 4K UltraHD for an excellent visual experience. Compact design. This white, pocket-sized pigtail adapter blends into any setup, travels easily and comes in handy for a number of occasions, while its short cable length removes strain from the connector and keeps it from blocking other ports. 2-pack. Enjoy your content on the big screen with the GE Mini DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. This pocket-sized adapter is unidirectional and will allow you to mirror or stream high-quality video content from your laptop, tablet or computer to an HDMI-enabled HDTV, monitor or HD projector. Top reviews from the United States. Worked well for me. I use the item to connect a Surface Book to a monitor. This is exactly what I needed. Feels like high quality, so far so good.